Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris from A More Justic Home Decor and DIYs. This is a collaboration and the host is the wonderful Heidi Souboul and her channel is Happily Thriving Heidi. So this collaboration is a spring DIY challenge. So sit back and relax and enjoy. Using several Dollar Tree items like this pizza pan here, some sandpaper, sponge brushes, and this chalk and chalk paint. I'll be putting together a spring decor with multiple uses that will give you a different look each time. Just one spring decor with multiple uses. So if you want to see me do that, keep watching. I'm actually pulling paint straight from the container, and I'm spreading it. I'm just getting a first coat on here any type of way. There's no rhyme or reason, just get it on here. And I do want to cover the whole surface, even the rim. It really appeared to be covering pretty good. And we'll see how many coats I need to put on here to get the color, the darkness that I want. I think I'm going to put a light coat on first and let it dry a little, and then come back and put a second coat. And that's probably all that I'll do. I've worked with chalk paint before, and it really is not a lot to it. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and then come back and give it a second coat. Now that my lettering for my sign is done, now it's time to attach my flowers and my bows. I'll be using this 2-part styrofoam and metal magnet to attach to my metal sign. I always want to create something that I can use throughout the year over and over again, and this worked out perfect. I can simply add hello spring, hello summer, hello fall, hello winter by simply changing up the flowers and the bows to give it a different look each time. Now tell me, which do you prefer? This red and black buffalo check or the white and black buffalo check? Let me know down in the comments down below. I would like to thank Heidi for hosting this wonderful collab, and the playlist will be linked down below. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Come back and join me at my channel for more home decor and DIYs. Thank you, amores, and see you next time.